Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that I'm really passionate about, YNAB. If you're not familiar with YNAB, it's a budgeting software that helps you track your spending and save money. I've been using YNAB for a few years now, and I've found it to be an incredibly helpful tool. How long does it take for YNAB to work? I'll also share some tips on how to get the most out of YNAB. Before I get into the main topic, I want to take a moment to define what I mean by work. When I say that YNAB works, I mean that it helps you to track your spending. YNAB makes it easy to see where your money is going. This can help you to identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Save money. YNAB can help you to save money for specific goals, such as a down payment on a house or a new car. Reduce stress about money. YNAB can give you a sense of control over your finances, which can help to reduce stress. Now that we've defined what I mean by work, let's get into the main topic of this video. How long does it take for YNAB to work? The answer to this question is, it depends. There are a number of factors that will affect how long it takes for YNAB to work for you. These factors include your financial situation. The more debt you have or the closer you are to your income, the longer it will take for YNAB to work. Your commitment to using YNAB. The more you use YNAB, the more likely you are to see results. Your willingness to make changes. If you're not willing to make changes to your spending habits, YNAB won't be able to help you. That being said, there are a few things you can do to speed up the process of getting YNAB to work for you. Here are a few tips. Start by tracking all of your expenses. This will give you a good baseline to work from. Set up a budget. This will help you to track your spending and save money for specific goals. Use the YNAB envelope system. This is a great way to budget your money for specific categories. Be patient. It takes time to change your spending habits. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. YNAB is a great tool that can help you to track your spending, save money, and reduce stress about money. However, it's important to be realistic about how long it will take for YNAB to work for you. If you're willing to put in the effort, YNAB can be a valuable tool in your financial journey. If you're interested in learning more about YNAB, I encourage you to check out their website or watch some of their YouTube videos. I also recommend reading the book You Need a Budget by Jesse Meacham. With that said, thanks for watching.